AI Radio Bot is the online streaming server. Equipped with artificially intelligent features, it lets one person alone to run the online radio with talk and/or music content. AI Radio Bot comes with AI Radio Studio, which lets you manage all your radio broadcast content and direct AI Radio Bot with what it should broadcast and when to your listeners. AI Radio Bot itself is powered by multiple features, which are driven by artificial intelligence. One of them is the voiceover engine, which lets you voice over text in multiple languages. It pretty much lets you stream talk content without need for you to speak yourself. Another AI-powered feature lets you generate the article from just a topic. You could prompt the AI radio bot to, for example, write me a 300 words article about George Washington. It will generate you a 300 words article about almost any topic of your choice. You can add the language to your prompt and say, write me a 300 words article about George Washington in Spanish language. An AI radio bot will generate it in Spanish language. We use the same exact feature to generate the music announcements. For the known artists, AI radio bot will generate a music announcement, and just like any live host would do on the terrestrial radio, will read it to your listeners before the start of the song. AI Radio Bot also gives you an option to generate an article from the content of the given web page. It will read the text on the specified page, using the web address you provide and turn that into an article of the number of words that you specify. It also lets you translate an article from almost any language to the languages supported by our voiceover engine. Imagine how much power does this give you. Now you don't have to speak the language and still can broadcast your message in the foreign language. AI Radio Bot already understands multiple languages, and we are working on adding many more to cover as much of the world as we possibly can. One more very helpful AI-powered feature lets you generate an article from the paragraph of text. Let's say you are not a great writer, but you can write your idea down just in one single paragraph of text. You can then ask AI Radio Bot to turn your single paragraph into an article of the specified number of words. After that, it gets voiced and broadcasted in the spoken form to your listeners. When articles get voiced, you can choose to have the music added to the background of each voiceover. You can even adjust the volume of the background music. Using similar approach, by providing the text and background music, you can also generate radio IDs, promos, and ads. You are welcome to take advantage of the editing features such as the correct grammar or revise, which can help you to further improve the quality of the text. Voiceovers could be done using multiple voices.
It could sound like that if you would like to use man's voice.
And we have multiple voices for women and men.
Or even this way, AI Radio Bot can read your article.
You can preview each voiceover before approving it for broadcast, and as a perk you can even download the MP3 of your voiceover if you would like to use it elsewhere. Text and uploaded audio content sections come with the insights which can let you know the duration of each piece of content. It can be especially helpful for text voiceovers. As well as it will tell you how many times each piece of content was broadcasted and when was the last time it went on air. You could also upload audio content MP3 files and have those broadcasted as well in a mix with the generated content. You can specify multiple content types when uploading the MP3 files. Those could be uploaded as custom audio, which is treated as talk content, similarly to how voiced articles are treated within the broadcast sequence. You could also upload MP3 files as radio IDs, promos, ads, or stingers. And definitely music. You can run both, the talk radio as well as the music radio with AI Radio Bot. Each content type is treated uniquely when automated broadcast is generated. You could upload files one by one or take advantage of our bulk file upload feature, which lets you upload multiple files at once. AI Radio Bot provides you with two ways of managing your broadcast. The automated way where AI Radio Bot chooses what to broadcast and when. And you have an option to completely disable the automation and yourself choose what should be broadcasted by creating and scheduling the user-generated playlists, which were designed with our clock broadcast in mind. We named them playlists because that is what they are, but you can use them to replicate the hour clock schedule. In playlists, you also have options to customize your broadcast as much as possible. You could randomize content, yet preserve the sequence of content types just as you have set it. So if you, let's say, create a playlist of article, stinger, promo, music, music, article, stinger, article. If you set content to randomized, then the sequence of article, stinger, promo, music, music, article, stinger, article will stay unchanged. But the content that is broadcasted for each one of the content types will be randomly chosen from the content you have selected for the given playlist. You could also select to have playlist roll over to the next hour, meaning that if your playlist is longer than 1 hour, it will complete, or if you would like playlist to end at the end of the hour, you could do that as well. AI Radio Bot gives you an option to specify the intro and outro for your playlist, where it will read some text before continuing on to broadcast the content from the playlist, which you created. Playlists could be scheduled just as any other content you have in your queues. You can add multiple content types to your playlists as well, text voiceovers, all audio types as well, and even the RSS feed as a whole could be added to playlist. An AI Radio Bot will broadcast all articles from that RSS feed as part of your user-generated playlist. AI Radio Bot comes with RSS Reader as well, and even the RSS Reader provides you with a wealth of features to edit, revise, and filter your content before it gets voiced and broadcasted to your listeners. You can instruct AI Radio Bot when it is sourcing the content from the RSS feed to merge multiple articles into one. You can ask to remove paths, web addresses, and duplicate content. You can ask to summarize text, correct grammar, and revise text. You can even ignore articles with negative sentiment and/or ignore articles by specifying the keywords for AI Radio Bot to watch out for in the content that comes from RSS. You can specify how many articles to source from each RSS feed and how often, as well as choosing which voice and language to use for voiceover or add the background music, automatically clean up older content for each RSS when new one is sourced, as well as scheduling. All of it is also available as part of AI Radio Bot's RSS Reader feature. For each RSS feed, you can also select which voice to use for the voiceover and in which language, as well as set the reading speed and even choose the background music, which will play behind the voiceover. AI Radio Bot comes with global on and off switches for almost all features, which are in place for you to be able to disable a broadcast of the given type of content all at once. Broadcast settings are exactly where you will find them. These are especially helpful when running in automatic broadcast mode. For example, switching the Insert AI Voice Text Articles off will instruct AI Radio Bot to ignore all text voiceovers from text content section and only broadcast the uploaded MP3 audio from audio content section. Same goes for any other type of the content supported by AI Radio Bot. Definitely, the analytics and playback log are the features which are almost too important not to have, and AI Radio Bot comes with those as well. Analytics will give you the insights about your listeners, while the playback log will tell you what has been aired and when, keeping you broadcast history stored for you when you need it. We are also experimenting with the feature called Content Vault. It is in place to provide our hosts with the additional content available for them to broadcast on their radios. Content is never enough, and at times hosts might not have enough of it to fill in the 24 hours of their broadcast. Content Vault will always be there full of additional content, and we plan to add more content to it as we work on the AI Radio Bot. AI Radio Bot comes with a very good documentation, which could be found in the Help section of the AI Radio Studio. We keep it up to date, and as we add more features to the AI Radio Bot platform, all details will be explained there. Last but not least, AI Radio Bot comes with on-repeat mobile apps released on iOS as well as Android mobile phones and tablets. Your radio stream has a great chance to be listed there as well. Some hosts would prefer to have their radio be available only on their own mobile apps. Others would like to establish their mobile presence without having to build their own apps. We do have the second option for you. For all hosts who would like to take the opportunity and have their radio stream accessible in our on-repeat apps, please contact us and we will guide you through the process. That's about it for now. We are continuing to work on our invention and there will be many more features which we will introduce in the future. If you have some custom features in mind, please feel free to contact us and ask. Maybe we will be able to implement them as well. We definitely will try our best. As for now, while we continue to innovate, support us by joining the AI radio revolution. Start your online radio today using AI Radio Bot.